Good morning guys. Hello baby here. Welcome on today's videos. It's very special, and right now it's early in the morning. We thank God for the gift of life. Anyway, thank you so much for clicking this video, and in case you're new here, please subscribe, comment, share, like, and also don't skip ads. That the basic supports my channel. So anyway, I'm around at Nyabohanse village, and this is where how things looks like. It's early in the morning. Woo. So man, look at this house right now here. It stay here closely to around 30 years ago, you know. Look, and it still exists. So wow man, even it have been fixed some windows, you know. When we are maybe let me say this, when we are two young kids, we normally play at the swampy area in Nyabohanse Center. And at the same time, we came and play here. You know, we go around on this house, but nowadays things have been locked. You see on that building, that's the youngest, richest people back years in 19th century. Also, I think this is the son of that family right there. So anyway, this house, it has some own stories, you know. When we are a kid back years, we normally play at Nyabohanse swampy area, and we have a swamp on the other side. After this building, in front we have the swamp. We play there. Sometime during evening time, we normally play here. So like man, this is where we grow up since childhood up to nowadays. And you know, this is the youngest or the best of the best house in our village back years, you know. So look, even the iron sheets. Wow. Look how it looks like inside, you know. Very spacious, and they have been locked everything here. So like no, you know, intruder going there, maybe street boy going inside. So there's no way like you can, you know, exist to go inside. Wow. So I want to take you around Nyabohanse Center as we explore together, you know. Look at that. Also, it has a porch, you know, but nowadays things have been built in a modern way, you know. Look, that's how porch looks like back here. And I love these trees. Actually, it has good shade. Look at that. Wow, let's go. You know, a place like this, I should be very careful, because sometimes you'll find we have a borehole. I think there's somewhere here there's a borehole, you know. So I must be very vigilant. Between here and there we have the borehole. Let's go and see whether we're gonna find that borehole. Wow. Here you must be very careful, or else you'll fall down. There's some borehole, and I see tobacco plantation on this side, you know. Let me show you guys. Oh my god, that's how tobacco looks like. See? And I know tobacco, it's, you know, harmful to our health. Look, when you compare 19th century, I think from 19 to 2010, a lot of people plant tobacco, but nowadays people put more effort of planting maize, all planting corns, sweet potatoes, sugarcane, because nowadays the company of tobaccos sometimes they really denied to pay farmers some money. So majority of farmers, they give up, like, hey, there's no need. We plant hectares and hectares of tobacco, and when you burn them, after few days we take them to the company, and the company didn't pay us, so they give up. So nowadays we find some, you know, like 10 people or few people planting tobaccos. And on this side here, this is a perimeter wall as we keep going this way. So guys, I forgotten, I think the borehole should be there or here, so let me run from this place. It could be maybe a bad day to me, you know, you never knew. And I'm shooting these videos, I think, on Thursday, March. This is a new month on 2026. Let me show you guys. It's around 8:35. Today's date 5 March, day of 2026. And as I told you, this year is the year of success. You know, I'm the guy who climbed the ladder pole. Imagine 30 years and this wall is very strong, very strong. Look. Wow. So I'm leaving this place right here. I want to say goodbye. I'm heading this way in a good way. Whew. Oh man. Let's go. And on this side, this is where my life starts. That when I see that wall, man, I remember that wall. That's where my life have been transformed. Also, there's some veggies here known as kirerema. Where? Let's go. Wow. Also, we have some borehole somewhere here. We have some nice, beautiful flowers. Look at that. You see? Hey! This is a borehole right here. And I know this place, it used to be Chef Matiko's home. I think within here. And they are neighbors to Ayamaro's home. But nowadays, it's a apartment, man. There's some water tank towers. It serves the community. And also, I think today I should show you, we have the biggest water tank tower on the other side, you know. So when I go home, I'll show you when I'm passing this way, and also I'll show you how people dig some ditch. So we are in Nyabuhansa, guys. Whew. This is my bike here. So the reason being I came here is to compare this water tank tower, and also we have a new water tank tower on the other side. Okay guys, I want to take you there right now. It's the scramble. Kupoa. So this is a market area. Mini pokazi. So this is what we call marikiti. You know, at night maybe they store some veggies and everything. So guys, I'm taking you to this side. Okay, let's go. Okay guys. Imagine guys, on my pockets I only have 30 shillings. Okay. Hey, G-Care coming here, man. This is crazy. Wow. So guys, I'm going to show you where we have the most biggest water tank tower that serve the entire Nyabuhanse community. So let's go. Twende. Biashara yangu vipi?
Weka kamera tuongee sasa. Tuendelee.
Seme hello. Mimi naenda hivi.
Niacha niingie kwa biashara yako.
Wewe duka. Tutaonana baadaye. I'm telling him see you later. So guys, nothing to be hide. That's how Nyabuhanse market looks like. I mean Nyabuhanse center, you know. It's well developed. Man, this is crazy. Okay guys, we're still moving. And also this is one of my friends home by the name Fadela TV. Fadela TV, this is home and that's his home. So we have two gates, parents' homes and also his home's right here. And actually this is one of the national girls school that we have here by the name Nyabuhanse. So anyway, this is Fadela's home right here, you know. And me, as always, you know, advise young generation, dream are valid. No matter where we came from, you know, you're gonna start from nothing to something, from grass to grace, you know. So we're still going this way, and I'm gonna share with you real story, real time from Africa, you know. So you see, he constructed a nice wall for the privacy, and that's his home. That. Okay, let's go. Look, this stagnant water right here. And also this is some departments. I mean, house to rent right here. And the highest percentage of YouTubers, they normally stay here, you know. I think guys, I should walk slowly as we explore, you know. Like now I learned something new. When maybe I complete building my house, next is to fix water tank tower like this, you know. You had the cook, man, it's a blessing by itself. So we keep moving. This road also goes to my home, this one goes to my home, and also it goes to where I'm going to show you that project at this particular time. Okay guys, please subscribe to my channel. This is your boy Hello Babe Official. I'm always the happiest man all the time, and I think one day when I died I'll smile, you know. Yeah, so let's go. That's people's home. Wow. That's one friend of my mom. This is her home right here. She's a madam, you know. And I feel that intention, how my mom feel when they go to church and came to people's home as a church service members. You know the rules of Catholic, and when they see like, hey, a nice house, this and that, and that's the reason number one. I was thinking like, man, I should build my mama house, and that house I built within 7 days. That's 1 week because I have everything on the ground, you know. I have labor money. Where? Okay, huyo amezoea yeye. Haya, sasa umesema nipande. They allowed me guys to climb. Haya, let's go. I will go. Lakini hakuna shida, si ndio? Hamna shida. Haya. So guys, as I told you, we have the biggest project in our village, and I think this water tank will serve the entire community of Nyabohans. This one that you see here, man. And also when I go back home, I will show you those people who are digging the, what we call a ditch, I don't know, for fixing the pipe on the ground. But okay, man. So that's how everything it is, man. Look. This is a massive project, man. Also, this is a ladder, climbing ladder, man. Whoa, 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 whoa. You see how it's fixed by bolts? And I'm telling you, wow, very strongest. Huh? Ha! No joke. On this side, no jokes, guys. Honest, no joke. At least now, this water tank will help people here. You know, look, that's a massive, man, a massive project. When you compare this and that, this was something else. Oh, I love it, man. I love it. I love it. And remember, there is one of the biggest river that we have here, River Hibwa. So they normally connect water from there up to here. After did or process of like diluting the chlorine and make water to be clean. When it's reached here, water is super clean. Guys, I have been allowed to go there. Look, from here up to there. You will see Hello Baby there. Let's go. Hapa. You will see Hello Baby climbing. Oh my gosh. Whew. And then here you relax. So guys, I'm still going up there, and then you will see me on the top because I'm filming the videos. Let's go. Oh my God, I'm here. One step to go on top, but I can't go on the other side. Man, look how deep it is. Hey. Hivi hawa ni mashini ilikuwa na nani? Wenyewe walikuwa wanapanda na walikuwa wanapandia na ngazi. Bana, hapa ni noma. Mama na hatambe bubebe. Ali hanta ga sukatera. Nyori bino mbisa mbere kuyega nen kage igoro. Hapa. Hata. Ino mwisho wa rodi. Hapa ingekuwa zimechomera hadi hapa. Uingie sawa. Kuna stairs ndani? Wewe ushaingia. Amasana hatambe. Okay guys, now I can walk here because I'm a man. Wagwan. Look at that. This is what we call technology. Now I can zoom Nyabohansi. So maybe I'll use my phone to zoom for you. Look. Hey, man, this is crazy. Also, I think Boratan will see the boat. Maybe close. Hapa no mchezo. Eh? Mungainiri. Eh? Guys, let me use my phone to zoom for you Nyabohansi. The entire community, you will see. Whew. Even I'm sweating, man. Look how deep it is. You see, even the house too small. This is what I want to show you guys. Honest, you know, nothing to be black. Hey, like oh no. This is what I want to show you. Struggle for survival. Okay, let's walk this way. I think I'm the first YouTuber to climb here. Also, it has an outlet. You see, right there. I think I'm the first YouTuber to climb on this water tank. If maybe there are other, let me know. Oh my God. Things just like boom, boom, boom. And also this is the most richest guy here, right there. He was a professor by the name Mahiri. And I think he was working in America. And also his son by the name, I think Chacha something there, you know. Wow. Woo, that's the view. So guys, comment on these videos. What do you think about on today's vlog? But on my side, man, like I struggle, you know, to be here, and I risk to be on top here. Man, this crazy for sure. But it is what it is. And also, even when I'm here, I see some tall building on the other side. Huh? Look at that. Yeah. I think when I go on top of this water tank right here, I will see my home. Even when I'm on here, on this side, I see my home clearly. Man, I'm sweating. And I have been told like, oh, these people are being, you know, like climb here using some ladders and ropes. Man, this is crazy. Me, I can't risk. But because of money, people do risk, man. Imagine I was coming from other side. You know, it's very high. And even here I'm sweating, man. Like crazy. Whew. But with zero pressure. If you have a internally pressure, you can't go there. Trust me, you can't go. You know. And I think this is around 300 feet, or maybe 250 feet over there. But imagine I just climbed here. There's some ladders going there, and also there's some supporters at the back here. So let's go down and see how things go. Even I think my shoes is heavy. I threw down. At least now you can see your hands. Okay, man, it is what it is. And this struggle for survival, I show you the reality. Nothing to fake. you know. So stay tuned, guys. Okay guys, I'm around at home, and I came from other side of Nyabohansa Center. You know, from here up to Nyabohansa Center, it's around 10 minutes by walking. And also, as I told you on these videos, if you follow from start up to the end, I told you guys I should take you where people dig the ditch or trench for the pipe, actually pipe for running water to that tank. Before that, I gonna, you know, cover these timbers here because they're in a bad mess. So we have here my cousin. You have the crazy dog. They see camera. Okay. Hi. Hivo. So this polythene paper. Ona hivi. Sokote hivi. Hivo. So sokote. Songe uchambele kidogo. Oh, hapa songa kidogo tu. Sogera tu karatasi ni kubwa. Hivo. Yeah, just like that. And also here. What's happened? What's up? What's up? You good? You know, guys, I have the crazy dog. You know, Bruno was so crazy. When they see camera, they start like woo, woo, rotating around. But when I didn't film the video, just calm and quiet. You know, sokote tu. Hivo. No, relax. Yeah. So there's some timbers. Reason number one, this house is so congested, and this house is so congested. So these timbers, it can't fit anymore. So we try to put them outside. Naona je, silete vile vimao vya nini vya block kuweke mwana maybe PCB. I'm telling him to bring some piece of the machine cut we put down there. You know, man, this is crazy. And also we need to uplift maybe there when water is running, it will go straight. Yeah, man. Hey, wake up. Kamoja tu kaingine hapo. Pali iko sawa. Haya. Siapu iko sawa. Kocha mtu nyogi. Somebody's calling me. Cover the iron sheet. Haya, weka ready. Sasa hili hilo litakuwa chini. Ili uweke chini. I'm telling them that one should be inside of that. So ngembe. Hai, tukera hai. Sasa pale mbele tunapainua. Leta kitu kama ona hiyo ngazi. Penye maji itakuwa inakimbia. Ona hivi. We should raise like that. Sini hapo. Ama hivi maji yatakuwa na nani? Well, leta tu. So we're gonna put that small ladder here. So we just raised up here. Tora kuru hands. Toka chini tu. Iko sio tu ndani. Ni hivyo kweli dada. Vya atakimbia. Hapo katikati kuna nini? Panafaa painua. Uchunge. Tell them be very careful. Oh, man, it's because of lack of the house or maybe stores. That's why I risk my timbers outside here. But again, me just working slowly. I'm budgeting on this side, that side. But right now, my big mind is to, I can get the machine cut. We're gonna have when you ongeza kipisi hautuengeri ba ya mtu hata gogo ni misumari maro ni misumari nditeina yone inataeke I should remove this knife from here. No, hapo ino. Weka kwenye hiyo bati tumuongeze hapo. Ndio le mkrusire hands. Hey. Utainuka kweli. What? Sasa hapa ndio imenuka zaidi eh. Dad, yeah, harus orang bayar anda mas. Ini semua. Cara nar. Kwani kuna shida gani hapa? Okay guys, I'm gonna take you on the other side. We see that project, but it's because here we have more shade, so you can't see my image clear. Sometimes it's blink on your screen black, too much black. Okay, I have one subscriber from Miami, Florida. She loves to see me with these shirts representing Kenya. Thank you so much, babe. May God bless you. Wow. I love this sound from the birds. Before I move home, man, I should give you 2 minutes. You listen how my birds enjoying. Vroom. Oh my God. This nest is fall down. Shkaman. So where they are going to sleep. You see how birds are, creative. They're building by using, by their own pick. I don't want to say like mouth, pick. Creating a house like this, and they come and sleep here. Imagine it's something like this. I'm gonna sketch for you right now. I'm a good sketcher. So you see this nest, something like this. You see, it come like this, and then like that. You see, so I think like that. So this bird will enter here and come and sleep. Assume this is the bird. It's go like this. It's come and stay here. That's how these things looks like. It's go and come and sleep here. You see? The same sketch, look. Maybe here. You see there? Just like that. Alright. Let's go on this side. I'm gonna show you 1, 2, 3, and I think today, if I remember very well, I should exchange the oil on my bike. Yeah, I was dreaming so big, like one day, man, I should have my own car. I don't know how this house is leaking like this corridor. Oh my God. We should fix here the iron sheet. You see? It's leaking. So let's go, guys. And maybe if you'll get enough time, I should take you to the market area where they are selling cow and goat before the time run out. Hey cow. Hey cow. Okay, let's go, guys. Man, thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate it. And in case you're new here, please subscribe. My name is Alibaba Official. For those people who are new here, show me some love. I feel like nowadays I lose weight, man. You know, we have other cows sleeping here. Let me do like this, and then you see. You see? I feel like, oh, I lose too much weight. But it's because nowadays I skip lunch. You know, I normally eat strong breakfast and supper. That one, lunchtime, I'm out. Let's see. You see how I'm walking? Like I have big chest and and the stomach goes down. Whew. Okay. You see how the beauty of my village is. And you can't imagine there is another beautiful house on that forest over there. You know. I will show you. The reason being I came here is to show you the tank that I was showing you on the other side. Like, hey, water is running from our home here, going that way. Let me show you. Tata muone kama unidanganya. Yaani niko njaa, siku hizi niko njaa. Yeah. Mimi nisubiria. Yeah. Kuiona. Yambe na aganyirika we. Hadi tumbo.
Tumbo likakaa njaa bana. Pole lakini nitakurekebisha.
Sasa nisubirie kesho.
Naona tunani wataka hata robo mako.
Utareta za 100.
Za 100? Sawa, $1.
$1. Okay guys, we sign a deal here. Instead of eating mandazi and bread, eat some organic food. That's we call yam or arrowroot, things like that. In Jamaica we called yam. Dadango turole kutuka.
Kurumuita.
Poa.
Nigo mura, no tole tole.
Isururu yana chokore asi hano tukogora.
Ngale na.
Isururu 800 ukichimba vipimo viwili.
Nachukua.
Thank you. Ai nindinire ko. Hara. Achita na sio mahansiga. Anone ntari kara no raga.
Ni tungibwa hase handa hapa. Cheka ruri yetu.
Okay guys, this is a dish. Na chimba mtaro nunga kope hikiri byaka makamwita.
Are turubuki. Mungu. Mungu kwe.
Haru mama rabo kila siku. Kwani siku ngapi mko hapa?
Igamba kaicho. Baada ya siku 3.
Baada ya siku 2 tapata hivi. Tena papa kore pakana chipakani chimbi.
Sasa hayo ngotema. Hata unintari ngihano lakini.
Wechimbira baada ya siku 2 wako baada ya siku 3 rale.
Siku 3.
Amene mtu kemba kigoro haya. Let me see my grandpa here. From another mother. Pale sitaenda mimi. Doda. Utaweza kuchimba? Sasa wewe ni mzee. Yeah. Sasa usingekuwa hapa upige hivi. Kama hara kimate mara sekera. No the story. You have a big company, Zara. Kwa pare. So na vile watu wamechimba mitaro. Hai. So maybe we create, that will be another story. He was a homeless. Imagine, guys. So he told me like, hey, come I sell you some small, you know, portion, and then give me money to build a house. For real, he doesn't have even a single, you know, house. Ingo chimbe. You are homeless. Hapo utafika. Sukichimba hivi ni shingapi? Chap kidogo. Irenga. 800. Eh?
850.
Futi ngapi? Futi 5.
3 na nusu.
Kwenda chini futi 3 na nusu. Hii futi 5 hii.
Sina asijui hawa.
Futi 4. Chimba sasa. Sasa wewe tutakusaidiaje? Chimba. Tutakuja tu siku tufanye vile.
Mama taibu kama kula. Angalia vile analia.
Imagine guys, he sleep in people's home. So and the land is just over here. Tuuzie huyu rafiki yangu. 65 years old doing this job. Una miaka 65? I know even your age. There's one day he told me 65 years doing this job, man. This is crazy. Job. No kaya.
No job, no dollar.
No dollar.
Job.
And kingana ro kera genza hara. Amuto sala kore mibi kwa.
Hara mbakansi.
Guys, I'm very happy. You know, when I'm happy, it means all the world is happy.
Yakundo no ndagotokea maganda hiki.
Hata mani pamwa. Mwitu na kazi.
Nimeambiwa hiyo kazi nakuja bro.
You have a lot of work to do, Mwita. Susaidie babako mdogo hapa, anaumia.
Niko na yangu hapa. Nataka nimalize moja.
Kazi iko hapa. Chimba sasa.
Chimba mwana.
Tuka no ushike kipimo kingine ujoge so kiring.
Hapa sisi niko na viwili. Kwani muone hizi ni viwili mpaka.
Wapi?
Kuanzia hapa mpaka huko. Orieto hapo.
Su chimbe.
Nataka nimalize hivi vyote. Kuja nimalize hiyo kazi.
Mimi ile kazi sina haraka. Tengeneza hela kwanza. Guys, this is Mwita for you.
No, not for you. Have you?
Money talk. Money. Just say. Hapa kazi tu.
Kazi kabisa. Kazi.
Urorivo ni 1,100 na 900.
Maisha. 1,900.
Kwa nini ngamo kore?
1,000 kila kipimo.
2,000 hapa. Era nzuri sana.
Era nzuri, mvua ndio hiyo bana. Sitaki maliza. Tuje kumalizia kesho.
As I'm telling you, this is a tough job. See?
But we must work hard. Chimba futi ngapi?
Yeah.
Futi ngapi nguzamana? 2. Nabaki moja.
Alright guys, I think I should take you to the market before those people close the chapter of selling cow, goat, sheep, donkey. Yeah. Yo la. Yeah. Utamaliza mani kitu ni kama ni jana harusi ya Rehan.
Kifika saa 10. Ngane ranchi ni.
Where Muse, your age can't allow you to be here.
You know?
Eh? This Muse, your age is too old. 65, bro.
Let me say something. You know a project like this one?
It needs Gen Z.
It really assists the community. Then, you know, we will have bring the excavator, but for the community to get something, we have to allow them to do such a work.
But this one is too old. 65 years.
And it's
maybe a double years, you know.
He is the one who needs the work.
Okay,
so, you know,
we didn't force him.
Yeah, kazi. Yeah.
So you know, like yesterday he started, today he'll finish it by tomorrow. You can't believe he was 65.
He's very strong. And
man. Hii kazi nataka ona kijana mwenye ako na stamina. Aingia hapa.
Let me tell you something. Like today I went to Nyabwanze. I told them that we have the job there.
Let's go.
The one for trenching. But so many people don't want to work. They like easy work. So you know, like if you can see the people who are working here, they are over 30. To me, that they are the people who like doing the job.
Yeah.
My Gen Z, they don't like doing.
They need soft life.
Soft life. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Aya, wewe chimba doda bado upata hiki yako. Aya bana, tutaonana. Okay guys. I'm telling him, see you later. Tutaonana. That Swahili words means see you later. And I hope guys, each and every day you are ready to learn Swahili. When you come to Africa, especially Kenya, don't struggle. Or maybe if you go to Tanzania, don't struggle. But for us, we just colonized by the British. But in Tanzania, they were being colonized by the Germany. I shall pass here. It's been long, man. It's been long. So, for us, I don't know, maybe during colonial period, after British colonized us as a Kenyan, and also you know, through Indian Ocean in Mombasa, it divided Mombasa, it goes up to Tanzania. So those Germany passed through that what we call the what we call the Indian Ocean. So they left other people in Mombasa. So that's how, when you compare Swahili from Mombasa and Tanzania, it's the same asset, you know. Okay, I missed these trees. When it's growing bigger, I was filming the video inside here, like tararara. Look, I'm passing here, and it's crazy. Whew. Let's go. I think guys, I'm rushing up to Mabera before the market being closed, and you learn something new here and there. So that's how I run my videos since morning, and boom, at the end of the videos. Whew. These some stones, it needs to be pushed to other side, but right now even my mind is not here. My mind is on the other side. How should I manage to get the remaining machine cut? Day by day I need to talk it. If you find these videos and you're a new member of my YouTube channel, you know what I'm going through. So guys, we shall meet in the market. Stay tuned. Guys, it's early in the morning. I'm just over with my sister. Say hello.
Hello.
Yeah, you good?
I'm fine.
So I want to buy us the sharpen. Odi. Odi. Aye. So, man, I'm like a father to my family. I think it's younger. It's younger. Yeah. So, so I wanna buy her for sharpener. Yeah, nendo nunue viwili afu kimoja utunze. I'm telling you guys, every day when I just wake up in the morning, oh, no exam money, no PTA money, man. But it is what it is, you know. That's my family. Maraba. Maraba. Okay guys, but I need my sister to go to school, you know. Things like sharpen a pencil, that's small stuff. Where is the sharpen? Yuko wapi? Utunze mzuri. Utunze kimoja, wanda utunze kimoja nyumbani, si unaraba?
Baba hata sikutumia hapo.
Haiko?
Iko.
So guys, this sharpener that my sister she bought right now here in a different color. So I told her you keep one at home, the rest you came with it in school. Maybe when you have rubber. Okay. And I left him with some coin to enjoy mandazi for a day. Okay, 20. So we are within in a school, man. Not a distance. Okay. So guys, we just within our school, and as I told you earlier, I must escort my sister. Bye. Habari gari. Kipi uende shule? Okay. Buyore. That's a soldier. Soldier wai. Yaka ni mingi. Achokeri abantu. Yeah. Sasa ke kunyongo kwa arega sasa chopa ke. Tirahaji tashopa ke.
Wenko uko kori kingido.
Hakuna pesa unatengeneza. Morio. Vipi? Aiwai. Hai ungokora. I'm telling him to come and say hello. He told me no, I will make for you money, and then left me hungry. Why? Kutusalimia watu. That's kwa njore mere mahasi. Kegunya. Njoni kuonesha. Njoni kuonesha kegunya. Kegunya hafanyi. Yeye anafanya tena vizuri sana kegunya wako na mokara. Kuventana shidata. So kimo te mjoni yako tora.
Sonia mokara.
Kegunya wao. Anyway guys, see you later on my next videos. You know, this is my former primary school, and for my entire family, the normal land here. Okay guys, I hit the road. Now I'm heading to Mabera Market. You know. Wow. Let's go. Look at that. So this is the tarmac road which connects East Africa, the border of Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda. You know what I mean when I'm speaking East Africa, or when I talk East Africa, I mean Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, and also in Africa, Kenya was #1. Mama Africa, Kenya. Right, let's go. Let's go. And as I told you, Kenya, we have freedom. You can do what you want to do, whether you're international or not. Okay. I'm still rushing and I see other people come with cows. But I should live, you know. I'm 50-50. Okay. Whew. That's my baby right here, man. I love it. You know, because it's taking me around looking for the content. That road gets stuck right there. Crazy. Whoa. Okay. Today's the kind of chill day, and we outside. We outside. Wagwan, man. We are outside. We are outside. Okay, guys. Let's rush to the market and we explore together. I'm supposed to go in the morning, but I have another schedule that I'm doing, you know. So let's go. Okay, guys, see you in a few minutes. Now, guys, I just came here, but it's too late. You see some few people here. That's how the market looks like. You know. Okay. I'm so tired, man. You know. Today is on Thursday, but the rest of people were been going home. It's time to look. Wow. Let's see, guys. Let's see how things go. Where? Yeah. Viol. Eu vou ser.
Onde mora?
Rastaman. Sai bado. Yeah. Utakena bantu kwenda makiburisha ngombe chikugure.
Anande kubuche ronchi uru gori.
Tare hano.
Tare hano.
Guys, I'm so late. Yeah. Sina wallahi.
Toka huko bure.
Huwezi toka bure. Yeah. Como yake unintare hano. Bono ngokinye kura karosi. Atura
Yare mono nyono te miridicho.
Bage. Guys, it's too late. And I remember Christopher. He was the one who dig my borehole. Na nani yule?
Bubu.
Si Bubu jina yake. Getayama. Ni Getayama? Wana ngosasi go. Ndokavu ndemakene.
Karata ina ngo sapa.
Imagine n'umuntu ugera ni mukibombe ntako hecho nyitagwanza.
Anga ata musini nengere ende nengera. Bano we ngomuzaza aruche moto
mukolera nzi.
Maabera.
Maabera.
Chotiri chino
hano.
Ensi toko. Kono taturi demi ya musini miambi. Nakura pale ngani wa mia.
Kametogera hano. Na urutigira.
So
guys, now here we have other cows that are going to Nairobi right now. So guys, I'm in my village. Nothing to fear about that. Sasa ohamu yego
si hamu yo kupenda yani
kana tutamenda yangu tiga
ani nanda kalichokere
chunga sana
ano bikwa mimi utapata kazi vile tulikera
bado nikipata nitagongo So these cows are going to Nairobi. This is inaenda Nairobi. They are going to Nairobi, Kenya meat. Guys, I'm kind of late, but it is what it is. I'm better. Okay. Yeah. There's some goats here. Babu. Tora yaka. We heard it. Sino kukuria. Oh. Mimi nimekuja kukuria. Aja kuja. Naona Kayo. Haya. Guys, door have been closed, so I need to go on the other side to buy oil. Say hello, man. After that, no correct uchonda terma to go more. Tamambe with it. You know, guys, we share the name. Somo. I'm Emmanuel. He was Emmanuel. I tell you, no, I didn't kuja, man. Okay. Because here they have been closed, so I should go on the other side right here. We're finding out to people na ribu ndo kwa kutengeneza. So I'm in Bora town, guys. Let's see how things go. What a time for you guys. Okay. Tata bono tango wait. And advance. So ikedo akakunyora ke 150. Advance nirenga. Sasa kana waseke walinire pokongo. This advance. Okay. Akabaiskeli kano?
Kabaiskeli kayo.
Akangwa.
Enkuguyande.
Ana kule katani bintu byonse.
Kana mekebe nene hiyo ni mtumba. Hiyo ni mtumbe naenda tu jinsi ilivyo.
Erenga.
Akikaenda kule jinsi tuene nene 1500.
Nene hoere han.
Yani nibirichia hiyo.
Nene henda bwana.
Ile ndani. Mayende ne oro hans.
Hata nitoe pesa ingine kwa extra.
Eze kao extra. Eze kao extra.
Kwa extra. Na helmet unauzaje?
Shala advance. Eze kao extra.
Oil nani unauzaje? Helmet.
Helmet ni 1000.
Kuna ile nusu achana na hizi.
Nusu hiyo bado bei ni moja. Ni gani kwa total classic?
Toma hemse.
Bei ni moja. Mbona ngambele share ni nchire kumike share. Kanyi mengo rukiende no.
Ndazo tazerga ninkwibire. Ai tana tabu toma.
Yo bene, dai sor turinge tuine.
Toma.
No ne option mo
na ko. Ta te meru ha untin ku ha ta.
Ta so u de mai ru ai be.
Toma hembe.
Kana ko mo de meri chipicha.
Oi.
Oyo.
E gasinde. Ku moy. Heri ku gandraga.
Ya se bene.
Eno. Nyuma. Guys, let me see. Hapa. Kumeharibika. Ni mbovu ya?
Kuma.
Okay guys. I do some delay of exchanging the oil. Itonya kabisa.
Ifanye motondo.
Tola.
Bondo.
Usiju mwaje oil yote hapa mwa kamera.
Manyeti yangu tipi. Yangu tipi. Yakuira kwa basungu.
Hai.
Kemo zamata tu numujumira kwa basungu.
No fun. Just money. Hiyo hili nimechelewa man. Amekuwa nini? What's up man? Let's see. Mama nipe nyanya. Made. Ndio nipe nyanya mimi. Wewe manti. Amekuwa nini?
Wamegongana.
Saa kufe wanatusumbua.
Rafiki yangu huyo bwana.
Nyanya mama. So guys, I want to buy tomatoes here from my mom. Even I don't know how much that I have on my pocket. Bado umewahi kufunga?
Amefua.
Nguo? Haya. Nyanya hizi ni ndogo utaniwekea leo.
Nataka zile za 50 zipo.
Hizi za stock nzuri bana. Hizi ni balance.
Za how much?
Weka 50 ton. I'm a faint. These tomatoes, guys. Now I'm in Border Town. Oh, what other crazy stuff? You need 50 man. Hey. Mama.
Sasa ina bei. Ana tu vitu tunauza 320.
Hapa zitakuwa ngapi? 50.
Namba ya mume wake ninayo lakini
sikuchanganya.
Nifungie za 50 na kitunguu.
Sikuchanganya. Changanyie sasa.
Na hiyo
hapa mama. And the rain is coming, man. Tuone hapo vile utafunga.
Ngoja nifungie wa mayai sasa.
Oh. So guys, I want to buy also some sardine here for my mom. Actually, it was raining. I'm being amagana. Takunurma. Okay. Also here. Yeah? Weka tutumie pamoja. Napelekea mama. Kama kiburuku. Nentara kimukione. Legacy. Nako tawo tori binurubin. Yeah. Nako tawo tora binaka kiwa. Yeah. Uwe.
It's a good small fish. Don't worry.
I'm not serious. I can't do it, man. I'm here. Okay, guys. So this small fish or sardine. Hey, we're gonna need Sosa. Hey, unanidanganya tu. Pino. Etanga wote ubi 50. This one goes to $1. Okay guys, I found my mama tightening the cow right there, and actually I want to give her this shopping, guys, right now. Oh my god. So this I'm calling home for my new subscriber. This I'm calling home. Whew. It's raining in Border Town like crazy, man. You know. Karengora. Guys, you know the carrier bag burst, so I put on my jacket. So these are some onions, sardine, and tomatoes for our last supper. Are you happy?
Hey.
You know, guys, me I always support my mom, and she was the one who made who I am today. You know, I'm chill, calm like my mom right here. Also, both of my parents back here, you know, they're, you know, straightforward, calm, honest, and also chill. So that's the reason why maybe you had when maybe somebody, you know, did something wrong to me. Me, I just, you know, cool down. All right. So guys, thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate. Mama, for the last word, say subscribe to Hello Baby.
Subscribe to Hello Baby.
Support Hello Baby.
Support Hello Baby.
Wagwan.
Wagwan.
Okay guys, I love you from the bottom of my heart, and right now we just, you know, watch that structured building, you know, how we can push it, you know. It's pole. We shall meet on tomorrow's videos. I love you from the bottom of my heart. Ciao ciao. Mama, say ciao ciao.
Ciao, ciao.